Welcome to Our Daily Health. Stomach ulcer. 15 amazing natural cures for stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers are open and painful sores that form in the stomach lining. You would usually know you have a stomach ulcer when you feel a burning sensation in the middle of your abdomen. This pain usually becomes more intense if your stomach is empty. Other than the burning sensation you may feel, there may be weight loss, nausea, bloating, burping, heartburn, and so on. Stomach ulcers are a type of peptic ulcer. They are very common. Research has shown that stomach ulcers, or ulcers in the small intestine, are common to 1 in every 10 people in Western countries. Peptic ulcers affect more than 4 million people in the United States yearly. So, how does a stomach ulcer occur anyway? It occurs when there's a breakdown in the layer that protects the stomach lining from the stomach acid, thereby damaging the stomach lining. This is usually caused by infection from Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori bacteria. It can also be caused by non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, in high doses or over a long period. The top known NSAIDs are aspirin and ibuprofen. Some certain factors put you at risk of developing a stomach ulcer other than frequently using steroids. They include drinking alcohol frequently, smoking, and genetics. Some stomach ulcer treatments require the elimination of the H. pylori bacteria or the blocking of acid production. These medications may have some side effects like nausea, dizziness, headaches, diarrhea, or abdominal pain. 15 amazing natural cures for stomach ulcers. Number 1. Cabbage juice. Cabbage juice is a popular natural remedy for stomach ulcers. It has been used in the past as a traditional medicine to cure stomach ulcers and has been shown to be an effective treatment. Cabbage contains vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that can help prevent and heal Helicobacter pylori infections. It also contains L-glutamine and gerfarnate, which may help protect your stomach lining. Cabbage also contains S-methylmethionine, an anti-peptic ulcer dietary factor, also known as vitamin U. One study in rats showed a significantly inhibited ulcer formation and improved healing of stomach ulcers with cabbage extract. In another study, in 13 patients with peptic ulcers given about 946 milliliters of fresh cabbage juice, there was a 3.5 to 6 times average healing time reported within 10 days of treatment. Another way you could use cabbage juice is by fermenting cabbage juice to produce lactic acid and probiotics that would improve blood circulation around your gut and benefit your overall gut health. Drinking too much cabbage juice, more than 4 ounces at a time, can overstimulate the gastric juices, which can cause gas because of the reaction of sulfur in the juice with intestinal bacteria. To boost its healing potential, you can combine cabbage juice with carrot juice. This combo would help reduce the effect of sulfur and strengthen the intestinal walls. Instructions: juice 1/4 head of cabbage and 1 large peeled carrot. Mix well and drink twice a day, early in the morning and at night. Number 2. Honey. This really sweet substance can also be used as a natural cure for stomach ulcers. Honey contains a lot of antioxidants and polyphenols, which makes it really great for your health. Honey has been used to heal wounds and treat burns, including stomach ulcers. It is also beneficial to your heart health, the eye, and against many types of cancers. Honey contains antibacterial properties that make it potent against H. pylori, a common cause of stomach ulcers. Honey may be protective against stomach ulcers as well as helpful in speeding healing time. Ensure you keep track of your blood sugar levels when consuming honey, as it can quickly raise blood sugar levels. Instructions: use pure and raw honey. 2 tablespoons of honey will do the trick. Number 3. Bananas. Bananas, either unripe or ripe, are extremely beneficial in healing stomach ulcers because of the abundance of antibacterial compounds that help halt the growth of H. pylori. Dried, unripe bananas contain a compound called cetoindoside that helps boost mucus production in the digestive tract, thus protecting and preventing ulcers. Also, banana contains a lot of fiber, which can help reduce the risk of inflammation and protect you from developing stomach ulcers. To get the best healing results, use banana powder. You can easily make banana powder by slicing peeled bananas and drying them in the sun or with an oven. Grind the dried bananas into a fine and smooth powder. Instructions: combine 2 tablespoons of banana powder and 1 tablespoon of honey. Use 3 times daily for the best results. Number 4. Plantains. Plantains belong to a group of banana varieties, just that it has a different flavor in culinary use. Unripe plantains contains leucocyanidin, which boosts mucus secretion in the stomach. Number 5. Turmeric. This golden yellow spice is popular for its culinary use and traditional remedy for many health conditions. Its powerful healing ability is attributed to curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. From a lower risk of heart diseases to reduced inflammation, turmeric has so many potential health benefits. In a review, curcumin was found to prevent gastrointestinal-induced ulcers due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities. It may boost mucus production, thus protecting the lining of the stomach from irritants. Turmeric also contains polysaccharides that can reduce gastric ulcers by protecting the stomach's lining and halting the growth of ulcer-causing bacteria. You can dry and grind turmeric stems or rhizomes into powder and make turmeric tea. Your body doesn't absorb curcumin properly. The best way to boost curcumin's absorption is to consume it with piperine, commonly found in black pepper. Number 6. Coconut. Coconut contains antibacterial properties that make it really effective against stomach ulcers. Whether coconut milk or water, they are both packed with antibacterial properties that can kill ulcer-causing bacteria. To get the best results, you should use the kernel or take the coconut oil 2 times daily. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 7. Flavonoids. Flavonoids are compounds that can be found in fruits and vegetables such as red grapes, kale, broccoli, apples, berries, legumes, and food like green tea and soybeans. These foods help protect the stomach lining and heal stomach ulcers. They can defend the body against H. pylori bacteria. These flavonoids are polyphenols and have antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that these polyphenols are gastroprotective and can help in treating stomach ulcers and many other digestive conditions like diarrhea. You should consult with your doctor before using some flavonoid foods because some, like red wine and citrus, may worsen your stomach ulcers. When using them, you can take them as a supplement or naturally. Number 8. Probiotics. These are live bacteria and yeast that are beneficial to your gut health. They occur naturally in your body, and you can also get them from some foods, mostly fermented foods. These foods include yogurt, buttermilk, kimchi, miso, and kefir. You can also use the supplement form of probiotics. Research has shown that probiotics help eradicate H. pylori bacteria and speed up healing time for stomach ulcer patients when complemented with a conventional regimen of antibiotics. You should consult your doctor to know the number of probiotics you should take. Number 9. Licorice. Licorice is one of the oldest traditional remedies in the world, native to Western Asia and Southern Europe. It has been used to treat many ailments, including stomach ulcers. Other than its medicinal properties, it is used to flavor drinks and candies. Licorice boosts healing time and reduces pain associated with stomach ulcers. This is because it stimulates the production of mucus from the stomach and intestines, thereby protecting the stomach lining. Consult with your doctor before using licorice for your stomach ulcers because it may interact with your medications and result in side effects like pain. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic is rich in antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. It may be helpful against H. pylori bacteria, a common cause of stomach ulcers. In a study, there was a significant reduction in bacterial activity in the stomach lining of patients with H. pylori infections after eating 2 cloves of raw garlic every day for for 3 days. Taking garlic extracts may be protective against developing ulcers and may boost recovery from them. The thought of tasting this mouth-smelling substance might be discouraging. You can go for the supplement form of garlic extract. Ensure you consult with your doctor before you start using garlic for your stomach ulcer, especially if you use blood thinners like Coumadin. This is because garlic is a natural blood thinner. Number 11. Mastic. This is a plant resin that can be gotten from the mastic tree, Pistacia lentiscus. Mastic can also be known as Arabic gum or tears of Chios. It has been used as a traditional medicine for stomach ulcers and other gut disorders. Mastic contains antibacterial properties that make it effective against H. pylori bacteria. You can either take the supplement form of mastic or chew the gum. One study revealed the effectiveness of chewing mastic gum against H. pylori bacteria in 3 out of 10 people who used it. Number 12. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is popular for its antibacterial properties, its culinary use, and cosmetic purposes. It is effective against stomach ulcers. In one human study, administering aloe vera drink was effective in treating 12 patients with stomach ulcers. Number 13. Cranberry. Cranberries are almost everyone's favorite. You can juice them or use them in casseroles, stuffings, desserts, and sauces. They are superfoods that are high in nutrients and antioxidants. Studies have shown that they may result in reduced risk of urinary tract infection and improved immune function due to their nutrients. Cranberries contain bioactive compounds called A-type proanthocyanidins, which prevent H. pylori from attaching to the stomach lining. A study in 189 participants showed that drinking 500 milliliters of cranberry juice every day significantly reduced H. pylori infections. If you want to start using cranberry juice for your stomach ulcers, start with small portions first. This is because cranberry juice contains a high amount of sugar and can cause discomfort in your stomach and intestines. When buying cranberry juice, avoid the ones excessively sweetened with sugar. Instead, go for the ones sweetened by other juices. Number 14. Polyphenol-rich foods, fruits, and vegetables. Consuming lots of fruits and vegetables is not only beneficial for your overall health, but also helpful in healing your stomach ulcer. Eating foods rich in antioxidant polyphenols is also beneficial to your gut health. They can reduce your risk of developing stomach ulcers and boost the healing of your stomach ulcer. Some of these foods include flaxseed, cloves, dried rosemary, dark chocolate, black olives, apples, plums, Mexican oregano, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, and elderberries. Number 15. Chamomile. Chamomile belongs to the Asteraceae family along with daisies and sunflowers. Its flowers are used to make teas and extract, which has been used to reduce anxiety and help people fall asleep. Most people also use chamomile to treat intestinal spasms and inflammation, but research has shown that it could have anti-ulcer properties. Test tube and animal studies have shown that chamomile has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties and may help eliminate stomach ulcers and boost healing time. More human studies still need to be carried out. Foods you can keep away from. There are certain foods that you need to avoid or limit to prevent the development of stomach ulcers and boost recovery time. They include alcohol. Drinking alcohol too much can damage your stomach and increase the risk of developing ulcers. Coffee and carbonated beverages. They can boost stomach acid production, which can irritate the lining of your stomach. Spicy foods can cause irritation in some individuals. Processed foods, such as margarine, ketchup, microwave popcorn, flavored nuts, and so on. This is based on personal tolerance. Salty foods. Foods high in acid like lemon, orange, and tomato. A stomach ulcer is a medical condition that is common to many. We have listed several natural cures that may protect you from developing stomach ulcers or even speed up recovery time. It is important that you consult with your doctor before you start using these natural remedies for relief and healing. Which natural cures for stomach ulcers do you like? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.